Hi friends, I want to show you my new Goplus Rollator walker. This is intended for seniors or people that have some temporary or permanent need for help to walk and be able to have a way to sit also when they are tired or sometimes when you are older you really need to sit down once in a while when you're walking. So we bought these for my in-laws and I'm going to put it together with you so you see first how easy it is to assemble it, to put it together, and second, I want to show you how to use it, okay? Like this, you can select the height. As you can see, it's kind of short for me. So we're going to put it 2 spaces up. 1. Okay. Now, you see it fits better for my head. Okay. And when you are ready to sit down, if you need to, you can do it like this. And you will see you have this back support. You can put your feet here, ready to go everywhere. To the park, to the shopping center, walking city. This is useful for any kind of stroll that you want to have. If you have any kind of trouble walking by your own, and if you get tired and sometimes you don't find where to sit down, this will help you both things. And you have this bag where you can put anything you need, your medicines, your lunch, fruit, whatever. Okay, so perfect. A great walker for seniors and people in need. Thank you.